What's up, everybody? So we got the motor and transmission all kind of mocked up for the 39 Chevy. Where's Squints? My camera guy. What's up, dude?
Hi.
Here, you want to be cameraman?
Yeah.
All right, watch the buttons. So, you got everything mocked up. Show them the motor and trans.
So we mounted the motor mount and we mounted the transmission to the engine. So now we're just gonna have to roll the car.
You gotta get a couple blocks.
We have to roll the car in, and then we're going to mount the engine and transmission in the
In the car.
In the car.
In the car.
Car.
What they say, the car.
And that's my rock crawler, what I got for Christmas.
Boy.
The body's sick. It has like 2 guys in it. And the shocks are crazy. See the shocks? And it has like, if you look under, it's cool. It's super cool. And it has a spare tire. Can you stop being that loud?
I'm over here trying to work, and all you're doing is talking about your toys. So,
it has a spare wheel, and look at it. It has a diff.
Squints! Here's what we gotta do.
What?
So we gotta roll the car in, and I gotta put it up on these blocks.
Okay.
Because I won't be able to push the hoist underneath it without putting it up in the air. Let me get my...
Oh yeah, I made in our like sand area, there we have sand.
Huh? They don't know.
In the backyard.
Oh, talking about the dirt bike track?
Yeah, and I made like...
Oh, somebody called me?
Mommy.
What does she know?
I don't know.
Well, we're gonna have to answer the phone. Hold on.
Okay. Those are technical difficulties.
Well, no, I had to answer the phone.
Yeah. There it is. It was at the body shop for like 1,000,000 days. And this is all he done.
Okay. Not 1,000,000 days. Definitely not 1,000,000 days. It was there for a little while. Oh, can you grab that little piece of rubber there that I was using as a wheel chock? That's my wheel chock.
I'll help.
I got it, bud. It's alright. Good, don't worry.
I'm helping while
Can't go too far though, because I gotta get it up on the blocks.
all the wheels moving.
Yeah, I know. I gotta line it up. Alright, keep it right there for a second.
Okay, I'm coming.
I gotta lift the motor.
Here's this.
I don't need it. Just put it on the ground. That was just for outside. That's all that was for. So the car is real heavy. So.
Car is. I can help.
No, it's actually really not heavy.
You said it's real heavy.
That was a joke. I was joking.
Oh, I get what you're doing. Oh, I get it. Oh, we gotta move that one.
Oh, we're good.
No, Darren, this one. We gotta move it.
Move it here, bud. Hey, move it this way.
Oh.
Yeah, because I don't need to do anything until it gets to the point where it's gotta go under the frame.
Oh, there we go. We gotta move forwards. I gotta move mine.
This is where it needs to get lifted. So that's where it needs to start coming up.
Lifted?
No, the car has to go up and over those blocks. That's all.
That's all.
Oh, we gotta take the bolts out. Get the bolts in.
What we do?
Yeah. So basically, right now, what we're doing is I'm just mocking it up. I'm not.
It's not actually fitting.
No, I'm just getting it back in the car.
I know.
So then I can,
On camera.
What? Oh, I didn't do anything. What are you talking about?
You just smashed it against it.
What are you talking?
No, I was like this, and I was like this. I was like this.
Yeah.
And it showed like a little bit.
I gotta get my jacket.
And if you looked at it,
I'm gonna get my little jacket.
no, if you looked at it, right, like on the trans, right, there, you could see it. He like smashed it. I had it like this.
Hey, what are you doing over there?
You smashed it.
So what? It's fine.
You smashed the trans.
No, I didn't. It bounced off the frame of the car. It just bounced. It didn't hurt anything.
What is that?
It's my little mini jet.
Can I use it?
No.
Look how small it is. It can only weigh like a what? How can that weigh use a half a ton? That can use a half a ton.
1.5. Do you know how much 1.5 ton is?
Yes, it's a ton and a half.
Right, but how much is 1 ton? Do you know?
900 pounds.
Huh?
900 pounds.
No. Not really.
I don't know. I don't even know what a ton is.
So that's why I'm asking you. Do you know how much a ton is?
No.
So if a ton is 2,000 pounds.
What? A ton's 2,000 pounds?
How much is 1.5?
1,000. 2,100.
So what's half of 2,000?
1,000.
So then what would 1 and 1/2 be? If 1 ton is 2,000
Half a ton.
and a half is 1,000, how much would that be?
2.5 will be 2.
It's not 2.5, it's 1.5.
Will be 1. No?
You go check, see if I'm inside the garage. Am I in the garage? So I can close the door?
Hold on. Hold the camera.
You go with the camera.
Oh my god.
You crazy? Can I close the garage?
Nope. The little thing is off.
Oh, I could definitely clear.
No.
Crazy?
It's not gonna work.
Okay.
It's a beautiful day out.
Crazy man. I'll go a little bit more.
Okay, just try to close it, I guess.
Hold on. I need wheel chocks anyways.
But I'm putting the phone on top of my head.
No.
See, look.
Can you just pay attention to what we're doing?
I am. It films good.
Are you going to be super helper or are you going to be super annoying?
I'm super cameraman and super helper.
Oh, okay. If you say so.
Because I get a good angle of the motor when I do this on my head.
Uh-huh.
See, I do.
See? This little jack is awesome. It comes in handy. So now I can close the garage door, go over there and check, see if the garage door... Would you stop? Clear. Ready? Closing.
Closing.
What are you doing? Just let it close. Here, let me grab it out of my truck. Hold on.
Okay, I'm talking.
No, I don't want you bothering people.
I'm not. Oh yeah, my RC car, rock collar, the battery should last about like 20 minutes, but it only lasted about like the maximum amount time it lasted was like probably like 10 or 11 minutes. Oh no, you caught me.
You bothered everybody?
No, I'm just saying that that when the battery runs out fast on an RC car.
Yeah, it does. You gotta figure out why.
Maybe because the battery's junk.
Yeah, it's very possible.
Even though I just had it for a day.
Well, it could just be a defective battery. I don't know.
And I just got it. I only had it for a day.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to drop this down. So it's because of the torque tube.
What's a torque tube?
Well, so basically, this transmission is it's an early G-force 5-speed.
Yeah.
And it's
I'm doing splits.
It's a face-plated 5-speed, and it has a torque tube, which is it's a torque applicator basically. It takes.
Ow! 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 Oh.
Can you stop? Can you just film?
I am filming.
No, you're starting to really drive me nuts. But I'm not gonna have you film anymore if you keep messing around. Well, Ricky, you wanted to make a video, so we're making a video, and all you're doing is messing around the whole time.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. So.
You are, because you're drinking coffee.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a coffee break. What's wrong with you?
And you're gonna get drunk.
Drunk on coffee? Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think that's gonna happen. When has Daddy ever? What are you sniffling over there? You have to blow your nose, dude? Seriously, they don't want to. Nobody wants to see you sniffing. Your boogers on the camera. You have to blow your nose?
No.
Yeah, you do.
I don't. Oh my god. This is, on the camera, this is light. It's like light blue, but with my own eyes, what I see is dark blue.
Just the way it is, bud.
What are you doing?
I'll take it there. Dude, enough. If you gotta go blow your nose, go blow your nose.
Okay, I'm letting this stay.
Why don't you shut it off?
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, so got the motor and trans in the car finally. Problem we had was the new transmission is a G-force 5-speed. It's clutchless, and it has a torque tube. So the output shaft has another shaft under it, which makes it a lot larger of an output cover for the tail housing. So the problem I was having was the original cross member was hitting, so the transmission wouldn't go in, and it was kind of binding up as I was trying to lay it in there. And then on top of that, I got Squints cracking jokes behind me the whole time. So, but he's awesome. He's a good help. He's always a big help. So got the motor mocked up, and transmission's in. I had to notch the cross member a little bit. Not bad. I can actually easily fix it. So I can show you inside the car. I opened up the hole for the shifter. That was actually the original hole. It just had a cover on it that I had tack welded in place. And then if you look, there's another hole over there, a patch that I put in for the pedal, for the clutch pedal. So that has to be opened up too. But everything seems to fit good. Like I said, I had this as a 5-speed originally. So switching it back isn't really that big a deal. The original setup was 5-speed with the tunnel ram and dual carburetors. So we're definitely putting 2 carburetors back on it. I know everybody's like, why would you do that? Why would you do that? Well, so I have a carburetor already. That's going to work. If I match that carburetor, I can put the 2 on there. A lot of times, it's just because the car's a 39 Chevy. And with the tunnel ram on there, when you see 2 carburetors, I thought about doing dual throttle bodies and then doing fuel injection. And it would look really cool. Problem is the cost. I really can't spend crazy money. So I'm trying to keep this as budget as possible with still doing a really nice build. And I'm not going to give away any of the body or color situations. I'm going to make you watch the videos because we are painting the whole motor. It's getting painted. There's going to be a lot of different colors on the car. Once the body starts getting, finalized, I can give you this. It's going to not be black, and it's not going to be white. And it's not going to be gray. We're going for a traditional, kind of a traditional 30s, 40s color or style. as far as the type of color. So just keep that in mind. So that's, oh, and we're definitely doing zoomies. So I'm giving that away already. So the zoomies are going to come out, basically come right out. They're going to come up and under, and then you're going to have the 4 pipes right up underneath the running boards. So, yep, she's going to be loud. As far as RPM range of this motor, it's limited. I could still spin it to 75 to 7,800 with the way it's set up. Everybody and a few people have already commented on pictures I share. So those are stock 243 cast cylinder heads. Those came on the LS2s and some of your performance engines. There's nothing stock about those heads. That's all I'm saying. So we'll just leave it at that. There's modifications you can do to a stock casting. I know the geometry is what it is, but you can also alter that. So that's where I'm going to leave that. So, but they're stock. They're 243 cast stock heads. Anybody that knows the LS setups, it's a cathedral port. Nothing crazy, right? They don't make power. Come on. Hydraulic roller cam, they don't make power. So stay tuned. Just want to give you guys a wrap up on this. Motor trans are mocked in. I'm going to start mocking up some other stuff. And then we're going to, once I get some other things on here, you know, like making the zoomies, most of the other stuff will bolt right in, but I just want to make sure my clutch setup is good. The pedals are right. Everything was in once before, so putting it back in, it should all fit. But I got to still make sure. So those are the modifications I want to make. I'm going to be modifying the dash a little bit. We're going to be changing a few things. I had gauges before, but I'm going to be changing it over to a something a little different. So we'll see. But oh, and I definitely got to change these front springs on these coilovers. They're way, way too heavy duty for this front end. And that's something I had bought them years ago and I never changed them. So they need to be changed. They were always wrong. But it worked. But they're wrong. So appreciate you watching. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, comment. So let me know what you think the color is going to be. Because I'm not giving that away yet. Until next time, enjoy.